Is it time to buy or sell AXS TSLA Bear Daily Exchange Traded Fund? In this video, we are diving deep into AXS TSLA Bear Daily Exchange Traded Fund. Our initial report was published on our website on Friday, the 22nd of August, 2025, and now we are here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You do not want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and receive free price predictions and in-depth analysis for anyone among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Since the 6th of August, 2025, our system has identified the AXS TSLA Bear Daily ETF as a strong sell candidate, assigning it a score of -7.02. Now, let's examine the ETF's performance during this time frame. The ETF has faced a loss of -12.85%. This results in an average daily loss of -0.99% since it was categorized as a strong sell candidate. The exchange-traded fund is currently positioned within the lower bounds of a broad downward trend in the short term, which often presents a favorable buying opportunity. However, if the lower trend floor at $13.29 is breached, it would signal a stronger rate of decline. Analyzing the current 3-month trend, we anticipate a potential decrease of approximately 11.49% over the next 3 months, with possible returns ranging from -19.34% to +30.47%. In terms of the longer outlook, our 12-month analysis predicts a decline of around 90.87%. Our calculations suggest that the stock's performance could fall between -100% and -92.12% over the next year. In practical terms, this would place the future price somewhere between $0 and $1.15. Our latest daily update for the AXS TSLA Bear Daily ETF features the headline, Volatile Ride for AXS TSLA Bear Daily ETF Price on Friday, moving between $14.57 and $16.69. The AXS TSLA Bear Daily ETF price fell by 12.38% on the last day, which was Friday, the 22nd of August, 2025, from $16.64 to $14.58. During the last trading day, the ETF fluctuated 14.54%, reaching a day low of $14.57 and a day high of $16.69. The price has increased in 6 of the last 10 days, but is still down by 7.31% over this period. Volume increased on the last day by 19 million shares. Although this occurred alongside falling prices, this may serve as an early warning, indicating a slight increase in risk over the next few days. In total, 36 million shares were exchanged for approximately $521,001,000. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest price of the ETF was $196.32, while the lowest price was $14.01. Currently, the price is 92.57%, or $181.74, below the 52-week high, and 97.41%, or $548.76, below the all-time high recorded on January 6, 2023, when the price reached $563.34. TSLQ is a 2x daily inverse exchange-traded fund that seeks to deliver twice the opposite of Tesla's daily return. Recent headlines highlight 2 key themes. Trader continues to expand its single-stock leveraged lineup, enhancing distribution and liquidity for products that originated with TSLQ, while market commentary consistently warns that TSLQ is intended for short-term trading only. Regulators and analysts point to structural risks, such as compounding, daily reset decay, and the fund's utilization of contracts for difference and total return swaps, which increase holding costs and can significantly amplify losses if held beyond a single session. Moreover, TSLQ has frequently appeared among the weekly top performers, highlighting its volatility and appeal to active traders. In the near term, this combination tends to generate episodic volume spikes and sharp price swings in TSLQ, as traders pursue or unwind bearish positions. These flows can exert intraday pressure on Tesla shares, but are unlikely to create persistent selling, as the ETF's derivatives-based mechanics limit direct share demand. Over the long term, structural decay and suitability constraints should limit buy and hold interest, maintaining TSLQ as a tactical instrument rather than a catalyst for sustained movements in Tesla. The following signals have been identified for the AXS TSLA Bear Daily Exchange Traded Fund. Currently, there are few to no positive technical signals. The AXS TSLA Bear Daily ETF is exhibiting sell signals from both short-term and long-term moving averages, indicating a more negative outlook for the fund. Additionally, there is a general sell signal based on the relationship between these two averages, as the long-term average remains above the short-term average. Should there be any upward corrections, resistance can be expected at the levels of $15.60 and $16.99. A breakout above any of these levels would trigger buy signals. A sell signal was generated from a pivot top point on Friday, the 1st of August, 2025, and thus far, the fund has declined by 22.32%. Further declines are anticipated until a new bottom pivot is established. Moreover, there is a current sell signal from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, known as MACD. Yesterday, volume increased despite falling prices, which may serve as an early warning. Therefore, it is advisable to monitor the ETF more closely. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. Moving average convergence divergence, sell signal. Pivots, sell signal 16 days ago. Bollinger, buy signal 288 days ago. Short-term moving average, sell signal 2 days ago. Long-term moving average, sell signal 14 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages, buy signal 28 days ago. If we look at the 12-month chart, we see short moving average, buy signal 3 days ago. The long-term moving average, sell signal 86 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages, buy signal 77 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us if you want to find more signals. Let's discuss the support, risk, and stop loss for the AXS TSLA Bear Daily Exchange Traded Fund. Currently, there is no support from accumulated volume below today's level. If conditions are unfavorable, this ETF could experience significant declines in the coming days. The ETF exhibits considerable intraday movement, indicating high volatility. With a wide prediction interval suggested by the Bollinger Band, this ETF is classified as high risk. Over the past day, the ETF fluctuated $2.12 between its high and low points, reflecting a change of 14.54%. In the past week, the average daily volatility has been 8.06%. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for AXS TSLA Bear Daily ETF. In case of an upward trend, the first resistance level for AXS TSLA Bear Daily ETF is at $14.84. If you do not own any shares, you may want to wait for this level to be breached before entering a position. For those already holding the ETF, this could be a level to consider for swing trading. There is no significant support from accumulated volume below, which means the ETF could potentially drop sharply under certain conditions. Proceed with caution and consider placing bets only if you are an experienced trader who knows how to navigate such situations. This exchange-traded fund has received a negative evaluation and no stop loss has been established. Is AXS TSLA Bear Daily ETF a good buy? The AXS TSLA Bear Daily ETF displays several negative signals and is currently situated within a broad and declining trend. As a result, we anticipate that it will continue to perform poorly over the next few days or weeks. Consequently, we have adjusted our evaluation of this ETF to reflect a negative outlook. Given some minor weaknesses in the technical analysis, we have revised our conclusion from a sell to a strong sell candidate since our last review. After reviewing the volatility and movements from the last trading day, our systems indicate that the current price is undervalued. For trading on Monday, the 25th of August, we expect the AXS TSLA Bear Daily ETF to open higher by 0.7%, starting at $15.28. We remind you that trading involves a significant risk of losing money, and it is advisable to consult with a financial advisor before making any decisions regarding the purchase or sale of securities. It is important not to base your investment decisions solely on the information provided by StockInvest.us. By utilizing this information, you acknowledge and accept responsibility for your own investment choices. This is our current view of the exchange-traded fund. Do you agree or disagree? Please comment below and share your thoughts. What is your target for the exchange-traded fund? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day from all of us here at StockInvest.